Winnerson D Sangma, Ubalong Mla Barim, Salmanpara constituency, mynta sngi, tarik Lber Hajar Phusau, ulami no Seng Tmc, pyniasoh no ialade Seng Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Nongialam hakhmat ka BJP Meghalaya, kiba kynthup President Rikman G Momin, Mla, kata Bah AL Hek Bah Sanbor Shullai, Bah Mariahom Kharkrang, Lber ka jingiadon lang kiwei nongialam ka party, kila pdiang burom ya Winnerson syakani ka party.
So it is a very clear indication. Bah Winnerson has joined. There is very clear indication that the BJP is winning in the Lok Sabha seat in 2024. So as I said, that only not he himself, the other former MLA or the sitting MLA also, very soon they are joining to the BJP. So we are waiting for the time. And as I said by Bah Winnerson, in a few days, they are also joining.
So today we are very happy under the presidency of Rikman. We are having our colleague Bah Hek, then Bah Kharkrang, Bah Mariahom Kharkrang. We are very happy that they have joined the party because his vision and mission is high, based on the good works of the Narendra Modi and the BJP in every part of India and even here in Meghalaya. Plenty of scheme has been given through the central government to develop Meghalaya. So this message will go to the people of Khasi, Jaiti and Garo that the time has come that they should not entertain those political propaganda by the other parties during the elections. But they should support the BJP because, as I have said earlier, today, this is not an MDC election, not an MLA election, this is a Lok Sabha election. So you know from the trend, from the national news and everywhere, that still Modi will form the government. Again will form the government. So that's why no use to send other party. It will be a wastage of time. So if you send if the people, we appeal to the people of Katijantia to elect the BJP candidate as honorable he or her to get the ministership, then we can bring lots of development and generation of jobs to the job aspirants of Katijantia.
At outset, my thanks for organizing. My thanks goes to the State President, Honorable Minister AL Hek, Mr. Gaganji Bakrao, and the spokesperson of the party, Bah Sanbor, and others who have attended this function at a very short notice. I also extend my sincere thanks to all the members of the press represented today. My intention of joining this BJP is with an eagerness to serve with commitment and dedicate myself to render service to the people in a better platform. I have been in politics since 2013. In the active politics, I represented 55 Salmanpara constituency for 10 years from 2013 to 23. But I could not make it in 2023 in the last assembly election to the assembly. But still, I'm active and in circulation in the active politics. I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I'm very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me in this sole function. I always will carry forward my commitment and dedication to render service to the people of my constituency and the people of the state, so that I can also contribute for the growth of the nation through this party. Leaders in the TMC, especially to the National President Mamata Ji and Abhishek Ji, and in the state, who have been my mentors and leaders, especially to Dr. Sangma, who led the state for many years as a leader of the state. I'm grateful to them. I decided to leave the party, but I'm not leaving Dr. Sangma and others. They have been very kind to me, accommodated me in various levels. So I'm still grateful to them. But as of today, in the prevailing political environment in the state, I find that BJP is growing and people have started to accept it. I have joined today as a member of the BJP, and many more are going to come along with me in next few days. Thank you.